So now I have all the components all connected to each other. Power's all set up and everything's ready to go. So, one other problem I'm kind of questioning on is what to do with all these excess wires. Yeah, there's a bunch of excess wires here. Not sure exactly what to do with them. But one thing you do need to make sure on is that they do not get in the way of any fans. Stopped fans are cause for a concern. Major concern. So, gotta examine them real closely. Make sure there's no obstacles. Of course, there's supposed to be some wires coming out of them, but because how else are they supposed to get powered then? The same thing here. See, I just need to make sure there's nothing blocking fans or anything else. And short of trying to figure out what to do with all these extra wires, that I really don't know. But otherwise, everything is all set. Well, except for one thing. Or two things, actually. How is this thing going to run? And two, I need to test it and make sure. And this mostly involves setting up the BIOS properly. BIOS, Basic Input-Output System. See those tiny little itty-bitty chips down there? Those little black things with those little wires poking out of it? Well, that is the BIOS. That's how small those things are. This particular model of the motherboard has two BIOS chips. One's a backup, supposedly. Backups are good. You want backup. But then again, I'm practically all done, set, and ready to go. So, time to install it onto here, so I can get everything all set up. Keyboard, mouse, yes, those are dryer sheets. My oily hands make it otherwise uncomfortable to use. Using those kind of fixes that. My monitor, which resembles a TV. But that's basically all I have. Yes, it's getting kind of late. But then again, waking up at this time is nothing new for me. Yes, that's PM, by the way. But my printer, the previous one I had, is supposedly cursed. Got rid of the darn thing. Cursed. Well, didn't come with a USB cable, and tried to go out and get one, and got into a car crash. Top of that, it caused a lot of other problems. So yeah, I do consider it cursed. So, basically, let's move this whole object here over to here. So we can then hook up all these other extra wires. Wires, wires, wires. More wires than wires can take. Or something like that. So, now that I got the computer up there, now it's time to cover it up. Remember this cover? Now, let's put it on. Something isn't right here. Oh, no wonder why. Still isn't. Oh, I think I see the problem. Yeah, that thing. Gotta get rid of it. So, out comes that trusty old screwdriver again. Yep, this thing is really getting overworked lately. Yeah, this thing here. See these little things here? Yep, gotta unscrew them. Only known way to getting rid of them. It's the only way I can get rid of this thing. But that's basically all I need to do then. So now I've resolved the problem. I got rid of that thing there, no screws.
So, let's get this cover back on. Oh yeah, that's much better. Of course, it's kind of difficult holding the camera and doing that at the same time. But, you gotta remember. Screw holes. Uh-oh. Well, remember this big stockpile of screws? I'm going to send my MP3 player in over there anymore because I'm charging it. See, then I just screw these in.